Imagine going from $0 in your bank account to making $10,000 a month. Not years from now, but fast enough to retire early and live life on your terms. Sounds impossible, but that's exactly what I did. And here is the truth, nobody tells you. It's not about luck or a secret formula. And if you don't start right now, you'll keep watching others get ahead while your dreams sleep away. And I'm so excited for this video today because I'm going to talk about how to make sure we are financially safe, truly secure and well taken care of by ourselves, no matter what life throws at us. I remember the days when I was completely broke. No safety net, no fancy degree, just a fierce determination to change my life. In this video, I'm pulling back that curtain on my journey from struggling paycheck to paycheck to achieving financial freedom early. And I'm sharing the real, raw truth about what it took. No fluff, no gimmicks, just honest steps that anyone can take. So if you're tired of waiting, tired of feeling stuck and ready to take control of your financial future, stay with me because this is your moment to break free and I'm going to show you how. Not so long ago, I shared my personal journey in another video. I'll be sure to link it for you at the end. But reflecting back, I was utterly clueless about money well into my 20s and early 30s. I'd sit across from my banker, nodding politely while terms like interest rate or the difference between stocks and bonds felt like a foreign language to me. The idea of investing or building real wealth seemed like a distant dream, something for other people, not me. It wasn't until my early 30s that I truly began to educate myself. I devoured books, enrolled to financial courses, and yes, invested in advisors and coaches who helped me unlock the knowledge I needed. This wasn't an overnight transformation. It was a steady journey of learning and unlearning. For years, I held back from investing because I was in a relationship where my financial ideas were dismissed or unsupported. And it was only after having my two wonderful children that I made a decisive choice to take control of my finances and invest seriously. If I managed to get my life on track at 40, then I promise you, you can absolutely do the same. Perhaps investing isn't even on your radar right now. Maybe someone else manages your finances and that's okay. But here's the truth, life is unpredictable. We are living longer than ever before. And what if your partner suddenly isn't there for you anymore? Or a marriage ends unexpectedly? The reality is there is a very real chance you may need to support yourself. And having a strong financial plan in place before that happens is essential. Learning these skills now while you have the luxury of planning ahead, so much wiser than scrambling to cope when life throws you a curveball. For me, taking care of my financial well-being is just as important as looking after my health. Think about how much time we devote to perfecting our skincare, organizing our wardrobe, or mastering our makeup techniques. These are wonderful things and I cherish them too, but the true foundation that gives you freedom to travel, move abroad and step away from toxic relationship or simply live a life on your own terms is financial independence. And when I first started my journey, my motivation wasn't design bags or exotic vacations, though all those are lovely perks. I worked incredibly hard just to pay my university fees, juggling multiple jobs. What became crystal clear early on was this: freedom comes from having money, but no one ever showed me how to grow it. So I kept grinding and often feeling stuck. Only if I had known then what I know now, the most important rule of money, that rule would have changed everything for me. Your money can work for you. It can grow if you invest it thoughtfully rather than simply letting it sit in your saving account. Whether it's dividend-paying stocks or rental properties, investing is how your money starts to make more money for you. And here's the second golden rule I truly wish I embraced sooner. Never spend your passive income. Instead, reinvest it to acquire more assets and watch how your income grows exponentially over time. In my first 5 years of investing, I didn't touch a penny of my rental earnings. I put every bit back into purchasing more properties. And honestly, there is no greater joy than witnessing your wealth build steadily this way. For me, the most rewarding path to early retirement has been through buying properties and dividend-paying stocks. Now, before you think, that sounds too expensive, please don't tune out just yet. Many people assume you need a fortune or a secret insider knowledge to invest in real estate, and that fear holds them back from even starting. But the truth is, there are so many creative and accessible ways to benefit from real estate. Renting out your home while you travel, letting a room to a student, something my mom did with great success, or co-investing with trusted friends or family, which I've done to grow my portfolio. Even taking just one small step in this direction can transform your life. If you're ready to take this control of your financial future, be sure to check my practical guide to real estate investing for beginners. It's a step-by-step blueprint to build wealth through smart, accessible property investments, even if you're starting with a modest budget. This guide is designed to make real estate investing approachable and accessible for everyone. And by reinvesting rental income while living off your salary, you're quietly building a retirement fund without compromising your lifestyle. So many of you have asked me where my properties are located and how I manage them all. Well, I've spread my investments across 3 different countries, and yes, I manage everything remotely. Honestly, we're so lucky to live in a time where almost everything can be done online, whether it's handling tenants' requests, signing contracts, or keeping up with finances. I'm not tied down to one place, and this freedom means I can travel, live abroad with my kids whenever I need to, and still keep my investments running smoothly. So why invest in multiple countries? It's all about reducing risk. Imagine if one country suddenly changes its tax laws, or the currency takes a hit, or costs like home insurance skyrocket. If all your eggs are in one basket, that could be a real problem. By spreading my properties across different places, I'm not relying on just one income stream, which keeps my financial life calm and secure. Of course, being a landlord isn't a walk in the park. It's not 100% passive. There's always tenant communications, repairs to organize, and contract details to sort out. But I'm committed to making the renting experience a positive one, because happy tenants stay longer and look after the property, saving me time, hassle, and money in the long run. So, what's the big lesson here? Learning to invest and take charge of your finances is truly one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. It's the key that unlocks freedom. Freedom to travel, live abroad, spend more time doing what you love, and simply enjoy life. I know we often put everyone else first, our children, our aging parents, and forget to prepare for ourselves. But if you're in your 40s and beyond and you haven't started yet, it's absolutely not too late. Now is the perfect time to get serious about saving and investing for your future. Remember, financial freedom isn't just a dream. It's a choice you can make, starting right now. You don't need to be an expert or have a fortune to begin with. All it takes is a little courage, some small habits, and the willingness to take that first step. If this video resonated with you, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more real talk about building the life you deserve. And if you want to dive deeper into my story and the steps I took, check out this video right here. It might be just the spark you need.